doing good. The lighting's gonna be sucky because driving in the car. But anyways, dropped Lena off at school and had to maneuver around some detours. So I got her there though. Got her there on time. Because there's a lot of roads that's flooded out and trees are down. My parents are out of power. I cannot get to their house because everywhere around is flooded. So there's no in there and there's no out of there. But if I can get some video or still images of the water, I will insert it here. Alright guys, so I'm at the, I don't know if you can hear me or not because the wind and the water, but I'm going to show you what all the chaos is about. Let me flip this down so I can make sure I get the full thing. This is the swollen Appomattox River. This camera really doesn't do it any justice. But you got plenty of white caps. And this is from all the rain that we had over the week, including Hurricane Matthews. So I'm gonna get off this bridge because one, I'm scared of heights. But I got that. And now I'm going to carry my butt off this bridge. Yeah, because I'm not feeling it. I wonder if there's another place where I can view it from without being on the bridge, because like I said, I'm scared to death of a bridge. So let's see if we can go through here. Get over here on the trail. Like I said, the wind is still blowing, but it's not as bad. Now this is a good spot. We got a little bench right here, so you can sit down. Oh, they got rocks right here, but I'm not getting on them rocks. I'm sorry. So I'll just, like I said, this camera doesn't really do it a lot of justice. But what I might do is I might see what how it looks with my other camera. Over the water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and probably put some pictures in. All depends on how they come out. And then I'm going to, I'll put them in here. And right now, I'm going to pick Michi up before I'm late. But, you know, water it's just so beautiful, even though it can be so deadly. So I will catch y'all in the next clip. Pick Michi up, and I'm waiting for Selena. She said she had a headache, so I stopped by Target and picked up some Advils. I got the individual ones, so that way she can put one in her book bag, and I can keep one in the car. And but yeah, it's that time of year, season change, and we just gotta get adjusted. That's all. It'll be alright. Now I gotta bag up out of here. So after I went to the river, and I went and did some photos, some pictures and stuff, and for my scrapbook and stuff. Just a little hobby that I do. Just, not professional, nothing like that. But I just like taking pictures of scenery, and I'm not more of a doing portraits or nothing like, people. But I like the beautiful scenery. So now, like I said, I'm picking Lena up, and I got to get home so Michi can go to work, and I'm going to upload these pictures that I took and go over those. But yes, the sun is bright, super bright. But that's it for right now. If I vlog anymore, you see me again. If not, peace.